chairperson, Reverend Joel Chebi, is now asking President William Ruto to ensure his administration puts in place tough and innovative measures that will secure the future of Kenyan workers. Chebi says tough economic times has affected millions of workers and there is need for an urgent intervention. Let's now cross over and join our reporter Elvis Kosgei, who has more update. Elvis, good morning.
Good morning. Coming from a region where 70% of locals depend on agriculture, and remember just the other week, Treasury Cabinet Secretary Njuguna Ndung'u advised Kenyans that they should brace for tough economic times. Now, according to the COTU first vice chairperson, Reverend Joel Chebi, and who's also the Secretary General of Textile, including EPZ, is now asking President William Ruto's administration to put measures that will cushion Kenyan workers. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. I understand just the other week, the Cabinet Secretary in charge of Treasury, Njuguna Ndung'u, advised Kenya that they should brace for tough economic times. As COTU, where are we as a country?
As COTU, we are supposed to make sure that we link up with the government of President William Ruto, because he has started very well. Unfortunately, there is a lot of crisis all over the world. But now, our main as COTU and Textile is that we requested the President to cushion the farmers by put measures, not like before, because people have a lot of expectation with this leadership. And so I'm requesting today, as the first Vice Chairman General and also General Secretary of Textile, including EPZ, where he is very much interested as far